Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are in the Dubai Mall Hafiz Mustafa shop, and this is Turkish sweets shop from Istanbul, and one of the very famous delights and dessert shop. Friends, this Turkish delight shop have won more than 12 gold medals in the first half of the 20th century. That makes this shop very special. Hafiz Mustafa shops started its business in 19th century around 1864 at the time of King Abdulaziz, who was in Ottoman Empire. Friends, this shop has many tasty sweets like puddings, dessert, Arabic baklava, Turkish sweets, and as well Turkish teas you can find here also. Color palettes of these Turkish delights is very amazing and mouth-watering. So this was the tour of Turkish delight shop Hafiz Mustafa in the Dubai Mall. And I hope you liked our video, and we expect that you'll subscribe our channel to appreciate our effort. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.